how to add charts in a page on Google Sites. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to your project, for example this one. Now if you want to add the charts, choose the place, click on it, for example here, and go here, scroll down, and you will find this charts option. And all what you have to do now is so simple. Just click on it, and here, as you can see, you will be able to add your charts like this. Click insert, and it's here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.